pa sa ano si Dodong. So guys, ayan, happy 2 years old Savi. So 2 years old na si Savi. 2 days ago guys, nag-2 na si Savi. And today is Monday, papuntang work si Inday Val. And of course, nag-ano din siya. And with my taxi driver. Wala pa sa si Dodong guys. So,
sleepy.
Ayan, 2 years old na si Baby Savi. Naalala ko pa guys when, ayan, August 1, 2018, nung, ayan, nanganak ako. And super nakakatawa guys kasi the day I was having contraction, yun yung araw na, if nakita nyo yung vlog ko nung nagle-labor ako, diba? 2 AM yun, 2 AM. Tapos, yung the day before that, alam nyo bang, Vibe was pulling out all of the floor, wooden floor.
I want a nice floor for you and my new son.
No guys,
Born son.
feeling ko sobrang, alam niyo yun, yung kinakabahan siya. So, he wants to do something. So, you know, his stress and all his, was that fears maybe? Para ma-divert dun. So, sabi ko, ang laki ng tiyan ko. Tas, t-shirt, I'm using his t-shirt that time kasi maluwag, tas maganda.
My t-shirt.
Yeah, your t-shirts because it's bigger.
Yeah.
So, ayun, nakaupo lang ako tapos binabaklas niya yung floor. He's trying to get all the floor and I'm like, oh, what if I give birth today? What then? And then the floor, and then there's visitors in the house and then the floor is not yet
It was all
done.
planned, good. Or not, it was exactly done when you came out of the
And
hospital.
guys, as in, kinakabahan lang siya nun. And so ayun na nga, di ba? Nag-labor na ako, nanganak na ako. Tapos paglabas ni Savi, mga, I think it's just how many minutes or like 1 hour. He called his mom and he was crying. It's so cute.
That was emotional.
So first,
Because of the stress, I think also.
yeah. So, ayun nga, kaya nga binaklas niya yung floor kasi sa stress. Tapos nung nanganak na ako, yan, siya yung nagka-count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi, i-hold ko yung breath ko until 10, sabi ng nagpapanganak sa akin. So, I need to hold my breath. And then, at the count of 10. And then, after 10, I can breathe again.
Okay.
So, ayun, siya yung nagka-count. Siya yung coach
Me too,
ko.
eh?
Yeah. Are you to your breathing?
I had to do also with you, I think, the counting and.
Yeah, you're the one who's counting.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, up to 10 guys. So siya yung nagka-count. So as in, grabe yung...
And did you tell about you elephant look? She looked like an elephant.
What? Oh my God.
Pretty elephant.
Yan yung binabi.
Like a balloon then.
Unang nakakainis to guys. Kasi he has close friend named Jokem. And then, alam nyo bang sinend niya yung picture ko na parang elepante? Natutulog ako guys with Savi here. Tapos, hindi niya sinabi na magsisend siya. So, one time nag-scroll ako, nanganak na ako ha, mga few days ago. Nag-scroll ako ng ano niya, ng cellphone niya. Nakita ko dun, sinend niya sa kaibigan niya. And I look really like, oh my gosh, my face.
Yeah, because of the medication. Yeah.
Oo guys, nagkaroon ng complication. Lahat ng mga guys, pati private part kasi super maga. As in. And medyo naging ano ako doon, emotional ako doon. One time, I was in the room and I was just quietly crying. But then he sensed it. And then you went upstairs.
Really?
Like,
Oh.
yeah, because you know, I saw my private part really not good.
Oh.
And then I said, why did you come here? I just silently crying. And then he said, oh, I can sense there's something wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, ayan yung ano natin, kwentuhan natin today, ang pagbabalik tanaw. And ngayon, tingnan nyo naman si Savi. Savi! Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Guys! So, si Savi, mahihain yan siya pag bago. Pero pag mga 30 minutes na, ayan, di ka natitigilan yan, makikipaglaro yan kahit kanino. And talagang hihilahin niya yung kamay mo. So, ayan. Masakit mga anak, pero ang sarap balikan kasi parang wala na, nakakatawa na yung mga pangyayari. And super, as in, super namaga lahat ng katawan ko, guys. Kasi after, I think nung sa epidural yun na, I think it was for the epidural when I swole.
Yeah.
Because
So,
after that, guys,
allergic
yung
reaction.
tinurukan ako, namaga, pati yung tito ko, gumanon na siya. So, nung after ko talaga nanganak, nung inilipat na ako sa room namin, I couldn't see. Like, I couldn't see. Because my hair is like, like that. You remember?
Yeah.
As in, hindi ko makikita, guys. As, doon na parang lahat emotional na. Kasi, oh my gosh, ano ba to? What's happening?
Yeah.
So,
You had to stay 3 days in hospital.
4 days, guys. Love. So, I stayed 4 days. Usually dito sa Netherlands, guys. Iba sa Pinas. Nag-stay pa ng ilang days sa hospital.
I sleep with you, I sleep home.
Wait. Sa Pinas, nag-stay pa ng ilang days. Pero dito, guys, after 2 hours, pag normal lang, walang complication, pinapauwi na nila. Pero sa akin, kasi may complication, 4 days. And, yes, you sleep there also. But then, guys, alam niyo ba, in the morning, he will go to the house because of the floor.
Well, it needs to be finished or not.
Balik tayo sa floor. Oh my gosh. Sabi niya, hello, can I go home? So, okay. Kasi, binaklas niya yung floor. Pinalitan niya kasi, bumili siya. He bought new floors. Tapos yun, of course, when you get the old floor, you need to put the new one. So, ayan, every morning pupunta siya doon. Kasi doon sa hospital, guys, well attended naman. Super ganda. Pati yung pagkain masarap. So, yun, parang nasa hotel. And, yun.
And now we have a new house, so no floor.
Yeah. Kasi ang daming renovation ng bahay namin sa Breda. Kahit kitchen, even the kitchen, we just
Yeah, so we did too much.
DIY yung ginawa namin, do it yourself.
Yeah.
So, ayan. Ay. 2 years old. Parang, it's like, just yesterday, but then Sabi's 2 years old already.
Yeah, well, it looks,
Doing his own thing. Like when you do this, nay?
well, that's good.
Guys, out na ako sa work, uwan sa Netherlands. Nakita na ako si Dodong at si Bulilit sa gawas nagpark. Ganiha, guys, init karon uwan. Hello. Hi, I'm Bulilit. Yeah, mama here.
Love Bazaar. This is Boter. I forgot.
Hello. Unsa sus kabulinggit sa dire ni Bulilit.
Niet goed.
Kena. May kena.
Shit.
Hala, patay.
My gosh.
Maglalakad kami. Hindi umaandar yung sasakyan.
Drained.
What? Come here, come. Sabi. Sus, di dyan patuon na, oh. Salig kay 2 years old na siya. Nay. Sabi, tiruk sabi.
A few moments later.
Sa wakas, umaandar na, guys. You're the man. So, ayan, maulan-ulan pa naman. Kanina mainit, and then now it's rainy. So, papauwi na kami. 6:11 na actually. Nalangay mi sa auto.
Ja, we zijn bijna thuis, Sabi.
Sabi, are you gonna help Mama and Papa shout out? Shout out time! Yeah. Shout out to Jentan.
Jentan! Woohoo!
Zozan. Hello, sis. Emmy Saltarin.
Emmy Saltarin!
Yes, shout out kasi, ayan, ulit-ulitin namin itong isa shout out si Tita Emmy Saltarin. Sheila's Vlog. Carla Lagumbay.
Kala lalalay.
Lagumbay.
Kalalagumbay!
So sila yung mga nag-greet sa sa video namin ng birthday ni Sabi. Shoutout namin lahat. Jean Sinji,
Jing, jing, jing!
Hazel and Erwin. Ayan, silang dalawa taga dito sa Netherlands.
Hey.
They're from Netherlands.
Who?
Hazel and Erwin.
Hazel and Erwin. That's easy.
Chen Kuting.
Jan Kuching.
Abtik Trader.
Huh?
Abtik.
Atik, Atik,
Abtik.
Atik,
Abtik.
Uptick Trader.
Trader.
Uptick Trader, maybe. Uptick Trader.
Grandma and Ricky.
Grandma and Ricky.
Wency and Kapila.
Benza and Kapila.
Susan Person.
Susan Person.
Bahala na basta. Basta naiintindihan nyo guys kung sino kayo Smile na lang dyan. Edith Francisco.
Eddie.
Edith.
Edith. Edith. Francisco.
And last but not the least, ayan, nagpapa-shoutouts from Surigao, Yan Chua.
Yan Chua.
Ayan, so, ayan, kompleto na.
Chua.
So, mamaya madadagdagan pa to. So, yung madadagdag bukas na lang namin siya shoutout. Ayan, kasi, yung mga nila na gusto yung shoutout ni Dodong. At ayan, hopefully soon makapagsalita na si Dodong Bulilit, si Dodong Gamay, para siya naman yung mag-shoutout. So, ayan, nandito na kami, Rice Berken na. Nakikita ko na ang, ayan.
Home in the quietness. The quiet
Siguro mga 3 minutes. 3 minutes na lang, nasa bahay na kami.
A few moments later.
Magandang gabi. Ayan guys, it's evening already. It's 8 in the evening, guys. Pero tingnan nyo, 'di ba may araw pa. So, katatapos lang namin kumain, mga Inday. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi kain-kain lang naman. So, eto, nagwo-walking kami. Ang dala ni Savi yung bike niya. Yan yung favorite bike ni Sofia nung pumunta sila sa bahay ng birthday ni Savi. So, pupunta lang kami sa tinatawag dito na Kinderboerderij or Animal Farm. So, makikita niyo yung, actually napakita ko na to nung last video ko, mga Inday. So, ito, malapit lang siya. Pampa-burn ng kinain. And fresh air na din. Say hi naman, Dodong. 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 Ik Inday. And yaw Dodong.
Oh, really?
And Savi is Dodong Gamay. It's like little Dodong.
Oh, I thought donkey.
Donkey.
Tagalog.
Hindi alam ni Savi saan siya. Ayun si Bulilit, oh. May 2 years old na si Inday.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right.
So, ayan guys, yun yung mga kaganapan for today. What?
Was it a badger?
Yun yung mga kaganapan for today. And salamat sa pagtangkilik sa video namin, guys. Sana hindi kayo magsawang paulit-ulit na manood sa vlog namin. And nga pala sa mga hindi po nakakilala, I'm Inday Val. And he is Dodong Vive. And ito naman si Dodong Gamay, Xavi. And thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.